Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger restaurant style. First, select high-quality ground beef, ideally an 80/20 blend for optimal fat content and flavor. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 4 inches in diameter and 1/2 inch thick. Don't overwork the meat, as this can make your burgers tough. A small dimple in the center helps them cook evenly without puffing up. This simple step ensures a flat, perfect burger every time. Achieving that delicious restaurant-style sear is key. Heat a cast-iron skillet or heavy-bottomed pan to medium-high until it's smoking slightly. Place your seasoned patties in the hot pan, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side for a medium doneness, or adjust to your preference. For cheeseburgers, add your favorite cheese during the last minute of cooking, then cover briefly to get that perfect, gooey melt. Now for the fun part, assembly. A great burger starts with a great bun. Lightly toast your buns on the grill or in the pan for a minute or two. This adds texture and prevents sogginess. Layer your favorite fresh toppings, such as crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and tangy pickles. Don't forget your sauces. A generous spread of ketchup, mustard, or a special burger sauce elevates the experience. Build it tall and enjoy every bite. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Serve your restaurant-style burgers immediately while they're hot and fresh. The perfect burger experience is often completed with classic sides, like golden crispy fries or a refreshing side salad. Remember, presentation matters too, so arrange everything appealingly. And speaking of valuable things, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.